Let's take a look at my daily routine. I can't really make a video of all the activities I do in a day, but I'm gonna explain them to you, so that could be cool. I wake up at 4:45. This is a rule that Brandy Morgan shared on Instagram and YouTube, and I thought it would be cool to follow to this rule, and after that it became kind of my daily routine, so waking up really early and having a productive day, so even more productive, and after I wake up I start learning some Python, or I make some personal small code pen projects that I post on my Instagram community as well. It's called Codergirl.al. After that I learned a little bit, or I practiced a little bit. I go to school, and at around 2 o'clock I come back from school, and I study for school, and so I relax and then study for school, and then I make home workout around 30 to 40 minutes, and I also read books. The book that I'm reading at the moment is from Friedrich Schiller. It's like all the one drama of it, so in Albania it's dramas of Friedrich Schiller. So I also read English or German or French books because I love reading books in other languages, since I also know those languages except of Albanian, who's normally my mother language. After I read books, I also practice some more with code before I go to bed. I practice my language skills, my English, German or French skills by learning something new, reading any article or anything like that. I also read the new programmers' ethical articles, and on Medium and daily for developers, as I said before, and yeah, that's what I do in my daily routine. So it's kind of every day the same, but I got some tips and tricks to stay focused and concentrated. I drink coffee, even if it's not normal for a 15-year-old girl, but it's kind of necessary for me because I have to stay up until late or to wake up really early, so it's kind of I'm kind of used to drink it. I spend some time of my day in my Instagram community, and because I think that's great, I spend like half hour posting and making pictures, or even 1 hour, because it takes its time to post, but I don't do this every day since I don't have that much time. At the moment I'm having exams on school, but I don't know, I'm getting it all by posting and reading and learning and coding and everything like that, because I think that having an active life, that's what I really love, and that's what I really appreciate, because I have the chance to learn everyday new things, and that's basically what I think it's really perfect. So that was all about me, my daily routine, my introduction and everything. So goodbye.